All right, welcome back to the update of the Guava Girl. She's in the AC Infinity 5x5 tent. We got 4 plants in here. They're all in 5-gallon pots, sitting on the AC Infinity self-watering bases. And we're at day 54. So let's look at day 54. We got 4 different phenos in here. And let's start off over here with pheno number 7. She's a beautiful plant. She's getting darker as she senesces, but I think that darker is wanting to turn to purple. Get a close up of some of those leaves of what they're doing now. And this is late flower, y'all. And then we look at some of these other leaves, what they doing now. It's late flower, y'all. So this is pheno number 7. And one of the visual traits that I noticed of her, she has thinner fan leaves. So everybody's pretty much smelling the same. I guess in the next week or so, they may start smelling different from each other because they all look different from each other. But at day 54, well, actually day 55, but at day 54, this is what we got. Yeah, I know. Creeping and crawling, clawing. That's all right, though. We're going to give her all she can take. We're going to give her all she can take. And these are all the top buds. Now, in the past, I've taken this plant to day 63. And I plan to do the same. Let's take a look at the lowers. Yeah, so that's number 7. Then here in the middle is the one that gave me a little struggle in the beginning. She wanted to be fed more. So she remained that light color green, but she still performed. She still performed. She bulked up pretty nice. So to give you an idea of how big she is. She may bulk up a little bit more. But she has the thin fan leaves also. But like I said, she was lighter in color. We're gonna run her back again and check out her lower flowers, I wonder if I need a license to show bud porn. So, all right, so we move over here to pheno number 6. And she's quite frosty. I don't know if the camera's gonna do it justice, but her leaves got quite dark. Some just downright purple, almost black. Inside in the lowers, you still see a little good amount of green down here. That's pheno number 6. And over here, we have pheno number 2. And she got the most frosty out of all of them. Yeah, look at number 3. Number 3 over there showing out. Oh, and number 3 was also the biggest plant in here. She was the biggest plant and taking up the most space. She's over here, she's over there, she's over in the front. Then looking at number 2 over here. She didn't do too bad. Yeah. So I've stopped the Epsom salts. I don't give her any more Epsom salts. I haven't in this past week. But she's still drinking quite a bit of water. So I don't think she's close to being done. A week at the very least. So at day 55, I'll probably have another update for you. But as of now, we just riding her out. If you like what you see, hit the like button. If you got any suggestions or pointers, leave me a comment. You can share my videos, I don't mind. Tell me what you think, what you see. You see 56 days? Should we hover at 63? Or let her carry out to the 70? Let me know what you think. A little frosty monster. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next update. Yeah. You know, I just thought of something. I'm gonna get the microscope. Come on, where we at? We're gonna get the microscope. And we're gonna get the microscope and we're gonna look at these tricomes. And we're gonna see where we are. Instead of guessing 56, 63, or 70 days, I'm gonna get the microscope and we'll take a look at these trichomes and see how mature they are. And then we'll decide there. Yeah, that's the best thing to do. So I'm gonna take a few bud shots. Then we're gonna get the microscope and take a look at some of these top buds and some of the lowers. So yeah. All right, we'll be back. Hey.